Welcome friends, and thank you for joining me in making this delicious Chinese stir-fry celery dish. It's crispy, nutritious, and so tasty. For today's recipe, we're going to remove the head and the leaves from one stalk of celery. I love cooking celery and eating it for its many nutritional benefits, also because it's crispy and tasty. Rinse clean each stem of your celery. Use a peeler to remove the fibers from the celery. It's much easier to eat this way. Slice the celery diagonally. Next, you will need to julienne 2 slices of ginger and dice 2 to 3 cloves of garlic. In Chinese cooking, we do use a lot of ginger and garlic in our recipes. It adds flavor to our dishes, and it's super healthy and nutritious as well. Instead of dicing the garlic, you can choose to mince the garlic so that it blends well into your dish. Place the celery in boiling water, then add a 1/4 teaspoon of sugar. I find that this brings out the sweetness from the celery. Stir the celery in boiling water briefly, then remove it with a strainer. Do not leave the celery in the boiling water for too long. We do not want to overcook the celery. Add 2 tablespoons of oil to the wok on high heat, then add your garlic and ginger. Sauté briefly to release the flavor from the garlic and ginger. Turn the heat to medium, then add your celery. Add 1 small pinch of salt for flavor. Then, on the side of your wok, add 1 tablespoon of rice cooking wine and 1 teaspoon of fish sauce. Adding it on the side of the wok will help release its flavor. Then add 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Quickly and briefly stir-fry everything together to make sure that your seasoning is mixed into your celery evenly. Then, plate your celery and sprinkle some toasted sesame seeds on top. The important thing to remember when making this dish is that we do not want to overcook the celery. We want to ensure that it's still crunchy and tasty. I hope you get a chance to try out this delicious and healthy celery stir-fry recipe. Please remember to hit the like button, and for more delicious recipes, remember to subscribe. Thank you for watching.